as a business, what truly matters to you? Is it the desire to affect change in your industry, the relentless pursuit of excellence, or the courage to innovate and redefine boundaries? At Tungyu, we believe it is about creating solutions that meet today's demands while pioneering tomorrow's possibilities so that you may go about your day with confidence. From sectors as diverse as medical and automotive to aerospace, imagine machinery so reliable that it becomes the backbone of your production line. We are a machinery manufacturer which has been driving the heat and pressure industry forward for more than 40 years. With enhanced output and quality and unparalleled consistency. We understand that in a world that never stops, your machinery shouldn't either. At Tungyu, we're committed to engineering machines that you can depend on, day in and day out. At the core of Tungyu, power and heat transform precision engineering into reality. Our manufacturing capabilities range from the delicate to the formidable, with machinery clamping forces ranging from 5 tons to an impressive 15,600 tons. This range not only showcases our versatility, but also our ability to meet diverse industrial needs with precision and reliability. We enhance your productivity benefits while also taking concrete actions to protect our shared home. Why choose Tungyu? We are not just a catalyst for your success. At the end of the day, we know what truly matters to you.